Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic Factorization. Today's question, x times x minus 2 times x minus 4 plus 4x minus 8. So once we segregate this one, look, here is x minus 2 and here 4x minus 8 have some relation between x minus 2. What like? Look, x minus 2, x minus 4. If we take common 4, here is x minus 2. Look, we already get the relation of x minus 2 and here is also x minus 2. We can take common x minus 2. So here is x times x minus 4 plus 4. Right? Now look, here is x minus 2 and here x square minus 4x plus 4. In this x square minus 4x plus 4, we can again factorize by middle term theorem. So x minus 2 and here is x square minus 2x minus 2x, it means 2 times 2, it means 4. Again minus 2x, it means minus 4x plus 4. So here is x minus 2, again here is x, we can take common x, so x minus 2, again minus 2, here is x minus 2, right? So x minus 2, here is x minus 2, so x minus 2 and x minus 2. This is our answer. Thank you. Another math, here is x plus 2 times x square plus 2 5 minus 10x square minus 20x. So this one, x plus 2 times x square plus 25, if we take common minus 10, so here is x square plus 2, right? But here is not complete. Look, here is x square and here is x, so we can extra add x. So if we take common minus 10x, here is x and here is plus 2. Okay, we have to keep concern about every line and every part. So here is x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. So here is x square plus 25 minus 10x. Okay, so here is x plus 2 and here is x square minus 10x plus 25. So this term we can make middle term factor like x plus 2 and here is, we know 5 times 5 means 25 and 5 plus 5 means 10. So x square minus 5x minus 5x plus here is 25, right? So here is x plus 2 and here if we take common x, so here is x minus 5, again minus 5, here is x minus 5. So x plus 2 and x minus 5 times x minus 5. This is our answer. Hope you understand this one. If you have any question, just put in your question in comments box. Thank you.